I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his sweat just like he came from UK. Like a wristed on the brown. Can I get like just a candy rub? You need to dim down a notch. Cause I can make some things that I'm gon' do. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Hey, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
It's Kaya Moore. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you do hit that subscribe button and like the video. And if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, y'all? You already know what it is. But as you can see in the title, we're going to Mexico, baby. Yeah, we're going to Mexico. So basically right now I'm waiting for my friend to get her stuff and load her luggage into my car so that we can go get the rental car. Then once we get the rental car, we're basically hitting the road. It's about a 4 or 5 hour drive. We're going to Puerto Penasco. So we are going to Rocky Point. That's where most spring breakers go on spring break, and that's just around that time. So yeah, that's basically what we're about to get into. I did my hair. You can check out my last video that I posted. It was a get ready with me. Well, yeah, it was a get ready with me for a vacation. I did my hair, did my toes, waxed Fatma, got my lashes done, you know, all that in the third, you know, just basic preparations. But that's basically it for this. I'll talk to y'all once we on the road or once we in Mexico. This is the rental car that we got. We currently just got back to my place from
I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his sweat just like he came from UK. Like a wristed on the brown. Can I get like just a candy rub? You need to dim down a notch. Cause I can make some things that I'm gon' do. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
You know the dick is for the bag. Kitty, kitty, baby, get her things to rest. Cause you don't need it like the 68 Jets. Diamonds are nothing when I'm rockin' with you. Diamonds are nothing when I'm shining with you. Just keep it white and black and say find me, sister. I'm too hip to hop around town to hit with you. I know I get wow, wow, wow. Wow, 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 thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
I heard that pussy for the taking. I heard it got these other niggas going crazy. Yeah, I treat you like a lady, lady. Fuck you till you burned out, cremation. Let the cream, yeah, Wu-Tang. Throw that ass back, bouquet. Call me and I can get it Tuesday. I can tell you gone off the door. Careful, mama, why what you say? You talking to me like you new babe. You talking like you trying to do things. Now that pipe gotta run it like she Usain, baby. You make me drown in it, ooh, touche, baby. I'm carrying that water, Bobby.
all right, now we just smoking real quick. After we smoke, we probably just gonna go down to the bar and get some drinks. But that's all that we got going on right now. So I'll talk to y'all once we figure something else out.
Touche, baby. And you know I'ma slaughter like I'm Jason. That's why you got it on safety.
Hey y'all, so it's 10:03 p.m. Me and my bitch. Okay, we're dressed for the night. We about to go grab something to eat. And then after we got something to eat, we gonna head out to the club. But we gonna catch y'all once we figure out what we eating. The Clubiana! Okay.
Like a way, shit on brown liquor.
Hey y'all, so as y'all seen, we put up on the food. But they didn't accept card. And we went to like 5, 6 different gas stations, y'all. We could not find nobody that can give us cash back or ATM. So now we at the club. No, and this bitch just took a fucking shot.
probably shouldn't be around you. Cause you get wild, 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 wild. You looking like there's nothing that you won't do. What you won't do. Hey girl, that's when I told you.
When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow thoughts.
In the party, he just wanna rum. Big boobs in the bus, they pump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. Feel like I you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making pop. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hear me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with their face. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's keep it a buck. Bitch too boring, I'm stuck in a rut. Lamborghini roll when I'm in the chair. This bitch like brown, the big ass butt. And we still going. And I'm making them wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood.
Loving, feel so numb. Why you wanna give me this? About to come, I see you are about to climb. Act up, oh girl, don't be shy. Is you
Hey, tell her STM Productions.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It's STN Takes Over. That's the YouTube channel. Oh, action. This better be in the vlog too.
You taste so good, loving, feel so numb. Grab me till I'm about to come. I see you right about to. Don't be shy.
Let me get 8 tacos. Yeah, you don't got no fucking 8 tacos. Let me get 5. 5? I'm gonna get 4. I'm gonna get 4.
Okay, y'all, so we basically get tacos
Before we head to Bullfrog.
Before we had to Bullfrog, we just live in Chongos, y'all. We about to head out to Bullfrog. But we get some tacos real quick. Okay, y'all, so we finally got something to eat. It's 1:23 a.m. y'all. We ain't ate since on the way here, and that was before we even got on the way here.
Damn, Taco Bell was the only thing we ate.
Girl, literally before we got here. But it's okay. Fuck a Taco Bell. We got a Mexico bill. Fuck yeah. But yeah, we got some street tacos, y'all. We about to head to Bullfrog and see if they still open or if they still popping, because they said 24 hours, but we about to see if they really giving 24 hours or if they bullshitting. It was a few people who said they gonna meet us there, so we gonna see if they actually meet us there or not.
Yeah, Bullfrog definitely say open 24 hours, but that's crazy.
My shot and get stocked.
Busting. We gonna talk to y'all when we get to the club, next club. Yeah.
Are we going to brunch tomorrow?
We is gonna be brunch tomorrow. So y'all better be ready. Yeah. But I'm getting to it. Fuck. What you say? Yeah!
So you know I just wanna experience. Girl, my bad, I just can't help it. Whatever you taste so good, loving, feel so numb. You grab me till I'm about to come. I see you are about to climb. Act so, oh girl, don't be shy.
Okay, it's my turn, y'all. It's my turn. Well, we can take a shot. Stop playing. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it.
You say you're curious, oh no. Rolling with Cody, that's question. Shit, I just might guess. To party gets me wetter, you know that I
Tequila for sure. Julio.
Hit your shot. Hit your shot. This is why we run.
Okay. Okay, that's my beard. That's your job tough.
You want to know where he stays so bad?
After the things.
Okay, y'all, so it's the next day. It's currently 1:08. Y'all see we had a lit ass night last night. We're currently about to head out, go get some breakfast, and then today is just our water activities. So we're gonna talk to y'all once we get all that figured out.
Did it with you. Should never let you hit it. I split it with you. I regret it. You got some fetish. You got some problem. Now it's a problem. Oh no. Good on beaches. I don't know these beaches. Big dirt on beaches. Do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady. Love to my lady.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me in a mess. You all I really by my side, I really that's that Mo City, that side that you think around at night. Yeah, you like to give me eye, you know I know I'm Messiah. You like when I make fire, you say the baby making fire.
Okay, y'all, so it's currently 3:08. We about to go head out and do the banana boat. We're leaving the camera, we're leaving our phones. We don't want anything to get water damage, so we're gonna come back after that. But then after that, we got the sunset cruise, so we're gonna go to that at 4.
And we get to bring the camera.
And we bringing the camera. We're gonna get fucked up. Okay, y'all, so it's basically 6:24 p.m. The banana boat, 10 out of 10. I loved it. So fun. Salty ass water, but 10 out of 10 for sure. Yes, be careful, you might fall off. But we had plans to go on the sunset cruise. Sunset cruise. We had plans to go on the sunset cruise, y'all, and we missed it. We did not get there on time. We got there like 5:05, and they took off at 5. They was not playing. 5 o'clock, you not there, they gone. They gonna leave. But we are scheduled for tomorrow, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. We just grab some tacos. We gonna smoke, eat, chill, and then get ready to go to the club at 10 o'clock. Tonight, we got plans on going to Bullfrog, so that's what the word is.
The whole night.
Okay, and we gonna talk to y'all once we all ready or some.
Let me bet that seat inside. Ass and tits, only thing that's got the whip, baby. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel you, baby.
So why you bother me? Why you bother me? Try to catch a POV.
It's 11:08 a.m. We didn't go out last night. We ate our tacos and took a nap. We ended up falling asleep and was out for the rest of the night. So here we is the next day. We about to head downstairs, see what they bar giving, hidden for, and then we gonna head out, breakfast, and then ATVs, and then boat, all that and the fun stuff. So we gonna let y'all know once we get everything done.
Only they keeping me by your side. Only they keeping me by your side now. Yeah, I know. You just got cash. Blow some up. Blow some up. Blow some up. The more you spend it, the faster go. Bad bitches on the floor. It's raining hundreds. Throw some up. Throw some up. Throw some up. Throw some up.
Yeah. Slim Jimmy. Yeah. High by hater. I flood the club with paper. Shawty got an ass, some for now, some for later. Something like Nicki's, dancing like Malaya. How I'm throwing all this money, I'ma fuck around and buy her. I can flick the money all night till my wrist tired. If you put in work, this the night you gon' retire. You a bad bitch, I ain't even gon' deny her. She told me throw that money, I said make it worth my while. I'm about to empty out the ATM. She doing tricks that make a nigga wanna spin. Girl, you know you got me fascinated. Just keep on dancing till I'm out of paper. Never.
Ass fat. Yeah, I know. You just got cash. Blow some.
Currently left breakfast. We're at the ATVs. We're about to go ride the ATVs. And then, yeah, after we ride the ATVs, we'll basically let y'all know what we're doing after that.
Spin it. The faster go. Bad bitches on the floor. It's raining hundreds. Throw some up. Throw some up. Throw some up. Throw some up.
Come in home, Mr. Tuck. I got British, pros. Little bitty bitch wanna dump on the dick. I'm like, boo, let's get it, let's get it. I got these bitches kissing on these bitches. I can't even count on my pop by the digits. Sweat, terrific. I might put this bitch in the kitchen. Baby, don't use dirty dishes. Or else she might whip up a my neck, my wrist is a she want for my dog, I'm like, woo. Better rap, boo, I try to cook, boo. Pull up with a bitch, you look like no. It's okay if I lie to you, bitch, my swear the truth. Hey, she come right back like no drivers do. 50,000 off 50 niggas, no caliber.
Ass fat. Yeah, I know. You just got cash. Blow some up.
How you know me? What's my name on Facebook?
The more you spend it, the faster go. Bad bitches on the floor. It's raining hundreds. Throw some up. Throw some up. Throw some up. Throw some up.
Throw some up. Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off high, used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink or we could burn something. Come through, come through, come through. come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through. Come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car, come through. DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook up, they just wait on me to cook up. Baby, I heat up the stove, you do the dishes, you know. Rap game, crack game, ain't that different, you know. Last album had it booming, something vicious, you know. And you know I need you back in my life. Girl, you know you got that thing that I love.
For 30 years, not a day long. I tell them crackers tell me I'm when they sober. I ain't on my downfall. I know they. I did you with Mariah. Talking about my nigga, what you talking about?
Like, girl, you got that thing for real. When I was on a mission to make it, who used to sleep on the floor with you when you lived in the basement? Who else got all the things you need at 4 a.m. when it's late? I always pull you up a drink to let you come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So put your ass in the car, come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So put your ass in the car, come through.
And then about to make these bum bitches mad again.
Can I say something? Y'all know what it is. It's Mexico Spring Break 2023. Okay, gracias.
All right, y'all. The boat. 10 out of 10.
We made it.
We made it to this one. Oh God, we made it, y'all. Me amigo, my new friend, y'all.
Mi amiga.
Yeah.
My
Poquito English. He know Poquito English, and I know Poquito Espanol.
Yeah. Sí.
Lately I've been with wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
Bro, tipo, un beso.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke?
Okay, hey y'all, so this is basically just gonna be a price breakdown. And then I gotta tell y'all what happened, because yesterday, well, this is beyond yesterday. This recording right here is beyond yesterday. But yesterday's recording, we were supposed to go out to the club last night, y'all. Like, that was supposed to be our last night out after the boat. We were supposed to go out to the club, and then we was gonna go home. Before we went out to the boat, at our Airbnb, like before we headed out, because we went back to our place, Airbnb, we got dressed, smoked. It was like a white lady who just got an Airbnb that was nearby. She was like all the way up at our door. Like, this is our door. This is our door. And this is her. Like, when we came upstairs, she was this close to our door, and we walked up to the door like, this not your Airbnb. She's like, oh, my bad, I thought this was my Airbnb. Y'all, when we smoked like probably like 10 minutes later, we get a knock at the door. Like, what's going on here? What's going on here? So then my friend go outside, she's chopping it up with me. I'm already cleaning in my head, because I'm like, I don't know what's going on, but let me just clean up. So I start cleaning. She come back in, she like, yeah, they said we gotta go. I'm like, what? She like, yeah, somebody complained. So then we leaving, The worker who had like brought us up day one, he told us that it was the white girl who had complained about the smell. But it's like, dang, why is you all the way next to our room anyways? You're not even supposed to be right here. You supposed to be over there, and you right here. But yeah, so we ended up getting kicked out of the Airbnb. I mean, but that was the last day, so it wasn't really like, oh, rah rah rah. But we were supposed to go back after the boat to the Airbnb to get ready to go out, and then we was gonna have a good night's sleep and all that. Y'all know, we ended up having to sleep in the car, went to the border, slept in the car, waited till the border opened, and then we left. But I mean, it wasn't that bad because we was only there for like 4 hours. I can see if we would have got kicked out like the day prior or something like that, but the day of us leaving, that's cool. We didn't really have no problems with that. So it was $165 for the room per person. That was supposed to be split. Well, it was split between 4 people. 2 people didn't come. We're not gonna speak on that. That's something completely different. But I ended up spending probably about, well, not probably about, because I calculated everything, $318 on food and activities. So total for the room and food and activities and all that, ended up spending $483. So that's total of how much everything costs. But that's not like with gas and stuff, but I honestly forgot how much gas we put up in the car. But yeah, so that's all that I really got for y'all. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you do like, and if you're new here, make sure you do subscribe. Drop a comment if you have any questions, or drop a comment if you just want to say something. And I'll talk to y'all later. I'll see y'all in the next video.